In this video, you'll learn how to delete a domain in GoDaddy safely and correctly. We'll go step by step so you understand what you're doing, why it matters, and what to look out for before you remove a domain from your account. First, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy domain portfolio. This is the main area in your GoDaddy account where all your domains are listed. Open your browser, go to the GoDaddy website and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Domains or Domain Portfolio. This page should show you a list of all the domains currently in your account. Next, locate the specific domain you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check that you're choosing the correct domain, especially if you own several that look similar. When you've found it, click on that domain name to open its domain settings page. This page is where you can manage everything related to that domain, including DNS, forwarding, and contact details. Now, you'll need to find the delete option. On the domain settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Additional Settings, or sometimes Advanced. GoDaddy may adjust the wording slightly over time, but it will be something along those lines. As you scroll, don't rush. It can be easy to miss if you move too quickly. In that section, look for the option labeled Delete Domain and click it. When you click Delete Domain, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is an important warning and you should read it carefully. It explains that if you delete this domain, all associated products and services tied to it will stop working. That includes things like websites built on that domain, email accounts that use that domain, and any forwarding or DNS records you've set up. Once the domain is deleted and eventually released, someone else could potentially register it, so think of this as a permanent action. If you're sure you want to proceed, you'll see a checkbox in the pop-up that says something like, "Yes, I consent to delete the selected domains." And this is GoDaddy's way of making sure you understand the impact of what you're doing. Check that box to confirm your consent. Before you click anything else, take one last moment to confirm the domain name shown is exactly the one you mean to delete. After you've checked the consent box, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm again or click a final delete button. Once that's done, the domain will be scheduled for deletion from your account and the connected services will stop functioning. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a domain in GoDaddy with a clear understanding of each step and what it means for your websites and services.